Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this burner on your stove. Let me show you why it's not working. Cause you see right here, you see right there, it just ignites, but no fire comes out of this burner. You see, only gas is escaping. Cause right here, I'm going to be showing you that there's a little problem with the burner inside. Like you see, the burner on it that ignites will not work correctly. Cause something inside is broken. Like the burner inside is broken. What you want to do is put this cover back on if you took it out to see what's wrong with it. But what we're going to be doing in this video is showing you how to fix it like so. You want to grab a piece of paper like so, or anything that can get on fire. Now what you want to do is turn on a different burner like so the fire can come on. You see right there? And now grab your napkin, but make sure the stove is on, that you want to put the fire on. Like this one, you see it doesn't work, so I'm going to leave it on like so. And now you want to burn the piece of paper like so. Now what you want to do is ignite the stove like so, but make sure so it doesn't burn you. Like so right here. You see right there, the stove is on, but I don't know if you can see it. Because it's a little bit of flames right there that are on. So that's how you can add fire to this burner on your stove.